Why Tesla called 2 million vehicles back to their facility. What is the story behind Tesla's decision to suddenly call 2 million manufactured vehicles back to their facility? In the dynamic realm of automotive innovation, a consequential narrative unfolds as Tesla, a trailblazer in electric vehicles, calls over 2 million of its vehicles to its facilities. At the heart of this story is a directive from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, casting a spotlight on Tesla's Autopilot feature. Among the impacted are the distinguished 2012 to 2023 Model S, the sleek 2016 to 2023 Model X, the futuristic 2017 to 2023 Model 3, and the youthful 2020 to 2023 Model Y, all adorned with various iterations of the AutoSteer feature. The crux of the matter revolves around the AutoSteer, an emblem of autonomous driving. The NHTSA has raised concerns about scenarios in which drivers disengage from their vigilant role during AutoSteer operation, increasing the risk of potential crashes. In response to this automotive drama, Tesla unveils a strategic move, an over-the-air software update. This digital intervention aims not only to address safety concerns, but also to augment the functionality of the AutoSteer feature, showcasing Tesla's commitment to continuous improvement. As the recall unfolds, the NHTSA's meticulous review spotlights 956 crashes initially alleged to involve autopilot use, with a focused examination of 322 autopilot-involved crashes. The scrutiny prompts this pivotal moment, as Tesla owners anticipate the impending software update. The narrative reaches a crucial juncture, emphasizing not only the challenges of integrating advanced autonomous features, but also the responsibility of automakers to ensure their technology aligns with stringent safety standards. Join us in navigating the ever-evolving landscape of automotive technology. Subscribe to stay informed, like this video to show your support, and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Your engagement helps us grow and continue delivering insights into the dynamic world of Tesla and beyond. Subscribe, like, and share too. Support our journey.